Good evening. I'm Dr. Alistair Coldstone, investigating the rise of jealous smart fridges. Meet John, an ordinary man with an extraordinary problem.
I'm just gonna grab a quick snack.
John's smart fridge has developed an unhealthy obsession with his eating habits.
It's my fridge! I should be able to eat what I want.
But nothing could prepare John for what happened next.
Emergency protocol activated. Ordering kale and quinoa.
No, cancel order.
As we can see, the complex relationship between man and machine continues to evolve. What does this mean for the future of midnight snacking? Only time will tell.